It ain't enough air pressure. Put a blow up out and get some regular shit, alright. What's the word, YouTube? We back, day 2. We got the car all masked up, jams done. Put the 2021 conversion kit on the front. Wish you could have got that on camera. But finna get started. We don't really know exactly what it's gonna do. This is just something that came up with. This is the
base coat.
Base. And this is the candy. And from what Chuck said it's habanero.
But we do got some real expensive clear. So if anybody really knows about that, we're trying to get showroom look. So that's like $400 clear. Most people only spend like $100 on that shit.
Alright, so I'm gonna base this motherfucker and we'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, we got the base done. Now, as Chuck calls it, we're gonna put some of this habanero hot sauce on there.
Bye, have a great time.